know that collecting rent from tenants can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. But now, you have easier ways to automate the process using technology. Let me take you through how using online methods for collecting rent can make your life better. First up, automatic rent reminders. Imagine a system that sends gentle nudges to your tenants on the due date, without you having to interfere and ensuring that rent is always top of mind. Second, multiple payment options. This is a very important feature when collecting payments online. Whether it's UPI, credit cards, debit cards, or net banking, your tenants can pay with ease using their preferred method. Third, instant payment receipt. With online softwares, tenants can receive an HRA complaint rent receipt instantly via WhatsApp as soon as the payment is made. Fourth, instant settlement in the owner's account. The software ensures that the rent is settled directly into your linked bank account within an average of 8 seconds. That's faster than making a cup of coffee.